good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, sir.
Okay, may I know your introduction, please?
My name is Suman Niraula. I am from Nepal, and eastern part of Nepal. I am 32 years old. I have 6 members in my family.
Okay.
I worked in UAE in ADNOC filling station as a supervisor and as a sales attendant also. Well, my duty I was in sales department, so I have to sell lubricant items, oil, etc.
Okay. How many years you were there in UAE?
Almost 10 years, sir.
You are married?
Yes, sir.
How many kids do you have?
I have 2, sir.
Two.
2 kids.
Okay. Your education level?
+2, sir. Intermediate level.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to go to Romania?
To earn money and to support my family.
Okay. Do you take the vaccine of COVID?
Yes, sir.
Which one?
Johnson, sir.
Do you have the card?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Who will take care of your family when you go to Romania?
Actually, my father, my mother, and so there is almost young. They can take care themselves.
Do you know the weather condition of Romania?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
There is almost and there is cold weather.
Cold weather.
Okay.
Do you survive there?
Yes, sir. I can.
You can survive.
Yes, sir.
Okay, best of luck.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.